Okay, I'm here at Mr. Ricky Lewis' house at 307 Nautical Drive. My name's Danny Newman. I'm going to do this, perform the shingle repair. I've marked a few places on the roof where there's a damaged, creased, unsealed shingle. I'm not sure if this is part of the original scope, as I haven't seen any diagrams or anything of that nature. I'm just kind of going off experience, and I just needed to find a shingle out here in the field to go ahead and perform the repair. And so I'm going to use this shingle right here that was creased here, and that is unsealed. It hinges at the crease there. Okay, so I've put X's around the shingle, or the tab, excuse me, where we're going to have to manipulate these surrounding shingles in order to replace the one shingle. Now I'm able to see here that, one minute, the actual shingle itself is, I gotta redo this. I'm gonna do it on camera now. I'll have to go to pictures soon whenever I don't have to use both hands, but you can see that the shingle stops right there. So the actual shingle that we're gonna replace is this one. So we're gonna have to manipulate these surrounding shingles right here, okay? And so we're gonna have to locate the nails. This is on the rear slope. Here we are. There's the black 3-tab shingle we're going to use. We got to locate nails. We got to unseal the shingles, locate the nails very carefully, remove the nails, and then remove the damaged shingle. So, all right. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and locate the nail. There we go. All right. So there's, release this seal. All right. This will give it to sentence here. Gonna see where it is. Gotta use 2 hands for this. All right, so the fasteners are not coming. They're not coming out like very easily at all. The nails, you go up under it. Try to. So, only thing that's happening is the fasteners are pulling through. The nails will not come out at all. Oh. God dang. Okay, so the nails that have to be removed, they're not coming out. This is just an undamaged piece of the undamaged shingle above it, and it's just pulling straight through that nail head. It's just pulling straight through the nail head, leaving a big hole. This is probably the most unrepairable roof. I mean, that's still pulled through. Okay, I got that one. Okay, let's see. We can get this one kind of, see how it just comes straight through, leaving this big hole. Big hole, let's see. See, it just comes straight through. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay, we gotta remove. Okay. Oh, we gotta remove the nails up here as well. No, we got all them. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I mean, it just slides out because it just slides right out because it just pulls straight through, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I'll try to slide one in. I'm using a really nice pry bar, sharp. It's designed to remove nails, designed to slide up under building material, remove shingles, remove flooring. It's just a really versatile tool. It's used all over the roofing industry to perform shingle repairs. I'll be using a roof hatchet to nail the shingle back. And so I'll probably have to, I'm gonna have to stop the video because I do have to have two hands. Actually, I'll set it right back down here, and then we can see, hopefully, what's going on there. Let's see. Yep. All right. I still have to remove these. I gotta remove these still. Okay. So now we have 1, 2, 3 shingles that have been damaged as a result. This is unavoidable. There's nothing any human or robot or anything could do to prevent this just obliteration of the shingles around the shingle that was damaged here. There's just nothing anybody can do. There's debris. There's things here that's blown up underneath the shingles. And so this shingle just is creasing. I'm not lifting it too far. I'm being very careful. That shingle just creased from having to lift it to do the repair. It looks like this shingle up here. Hold on, let's see. I gotta re-nail this shingle above it here. That shingle just creased right here. There's a crease here I'll take pictures to show in a minute. It creased right across the top of it as a result of having to drive. We got to drive a flush nail into the shingle here. You have to you got to drive a flush nail or the shingle won't ever seal back properly. All right, and so I'll show you the crease where this is the crease right here. It occurred during the repair. This shingle also creased, but you can't see it. Oh gosh, you can't really see it, and I don't want to do too much more to it. This shingle also creased here. You can see along the top where you have to bend it. This roof is just, it's just very, 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 very old, very, very fragile, very, there's tons of damage. Now, this shingle's got to be replaced, and this shingle's got to be replaced, and even this shingle has to be replaced because of the holes that are in them. And when the rain water comes down, it follows these rain grooves and it sheds, and it will eventually get behind these shingles and make its way to the big holes that used to be nail heads, whereas it would shed water previously. Now it's going to be susceptible to moisture water intrusion. Additional maintenance will be needed to in the future as a result of having to do this repair and replace that damaged material. And so that is all I have for now. I'll send this in as requested.